Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're talking about planting fruit trees. Here I have a Braeburn apple tree. And the most important thing that you want to remember when you're planting apples, pears, and cherries is that they need another tree that blooms at the same time so that the bees can cross-pollinate. That's how you're going to have your best fruit production. And the way that you're going to know what to plant is that you'll find a chart when you go to buy your fruit trees. It'll show which trees are blooming at the same time, and that's what you're going to want to target. Now, some trees, like peaches, are self-pollinating. You don't need another tree in order to get fruit. Another good tip is to just have a lot of your fruit-bearing trees and shrubs in an area near each other. That allows a lot of activity, a lot of pollinators will be visiting. The other thing that you want to do is consider when you want to put in your trees. Now, in most parts of the country, spring and late winter are the best times to plant fruit trees. This one was put in last spring, and as you can see, it's kind of getting established. You can plant them in the fall if you can find them. But usually what happens is right around February or March, you'll find bare root fruit trees. And there's a couple of good reasons for that. One is that they are far less expensive. If you buy them that way, you'll find them with a burlap bag around them, and what you want to do is you want to bring them home and you want to put them right into the soil or right into some water and then get them planted. The biggest drawback is wet soil. If it's too wet in your area, then you might want to wait a little bit longer. Just make sure that you keep them moist and don't let the roots dry out at all until it's planting time. In the spring, there's usually the best selection, and you'll be able to find your trees. This tree is probably pretty close to bearing fruit. 3 years is usually the time that it takes for a new tree to bear fruit. And what you're going to want to do is watch for the first flowers the first year, and you want to pinch those off. The best fruit production comes from a healthy tree that's had time to establish. Now, once you've decided to let your fruit go ahead and mature, you want to thin it out so that you don't overbear the tree. Now, I haven't staked this tree because it's way too sturdy. But if it's a smaller tree and it's kind of flimsy, you might want to put a stake, but don't leave it too long because the roots need to get themselves anchored in. And that's what you need to know about planting fruit trees.